Welcome. If you've ever lost track of an important LinkedIn message or struggled to find those conversations you marked as a priority, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to find your starred, focused messages on LinkedIn using your PC, thanks to the brand new update. Let's get started with the first step. Open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your messages right away. Now, look towards the top of your LinkedIn homepage. You'll see a row of icons. Click on the messaging icon. It looks like a speech bubble. This will open up your inbox where all your conversations are organized. Once you're inside the messaging section, you'll notice LinkedIn has introduced a way to organize your inbox more efficiently. At the top of your message list, you'll see two tabs, Focused and Other. Click on Focused. This tab filters your inbox to show only the most relevant and high-priority conversations, so you don't get distracted by less important messages. Here's where the new update comes in. At the top of the Focused tab, you'll now see an option labeled Starred. Click on Starred, and LinkedIn will instantly display every conversation you've marked with a star. This feature is a game changer for anyone who wants to keep track of messages that need a follow-up, contain valuable information, or simply shouldn't get lost in a busy inbox. Starring a message is easy. Just click the star icon next to any conversation in your inbox. Once starred, it will automatically appear in this special filtered view, making it simple to revisit important chats whenever you need. To recap, open LinkedIn in your browser, click the messaging icon, select the Focus tab, then click on Starred. All your most important starred messages will be right there, neatly organized and easy to find. With this new update, LinkedIn is making it easier than ever to stay organized and never miss a critical message again. Give it a try and keep your networking on track.